Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to the FRENCHYBRO Team TV today. And so with me, FRENCHYBRO, as you know, and Stedos, how are you, man?
I'm good, FRENCHYBRO. How are you?
Really, really, really good, like you as well, because so we got a lot to say today. So CPI, Bitcoin, what happened, crash dump, and so this is what we need to talk about. And guess what, guys? We make so much fucking money. No, is it
Yes, we
true,
did.
Sedos? Yes, we did. So, allez, we quick. Let's resume what happened. So, first of all, we did a really good short of the local top. So I think we shorted 20,255, I'm pretty sure, around this area. Yeah. And yeah, so pretty good entry. I think it's 7.3 R. So risk to reward trade, which is huge, guys. Really, really huge. And
that was from the original, sorry, so original stop loss, after as soon as we move it at entry, sorry, we realized somewhere there it goes. So it's like 17, 18.
17, 19. And this is what we gave to the group. So the VIP group just make a lot of money as well, like us, which is amazing. And after we did a video for you guys. I think it was on Monday. I think we did a video, and we were at approximately 1950 500, which is where the arrow is on the chart. And at that point of the time, we said we're still on our short, and we were expected Monday low, and this is what happened. So we took and swept Monday low, which was this morning. And I think we did Monday low this morning or yesterday. Yeah. And so we were at Monday low and just ranging a little bit, did a small range. And yeah, so a lot of people were talking about squeeze short squeeze, and after people were talking about long squeeze. So we don't listen what's happening on Twitter anyway. We just follow the chart and the price action. And yeah, so we took a small long this morning as well, because we were expecting a bounce and just before CPI, and because yeah, we say, oh, could have something to play because it's in one of our area of interest, which is Monday low. So we like playing a small setup if we see something coming up.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we took a small long on CRV this morning, and we gave in a group, and I think we did if I check it again, I think we did 1.8% profit, and we secure 50% profit. And because before CPI we don't like being on a trade just before the news, and we just put our stop at break even of entry price, sorry. And so we locked 50% profit, and of course we got stopped out, but with money. So we made money. Everyone is fucking happy. And yeah, that's it. And after the big news, so the big news, the CPI came out. So usually we won in the group as well. Guys, do not trade because most of the people lose money. It's if you try to gamble on before the CPI news, you're just gonna lose money because it's so manipulated, guys. It's just up or down, down or up. It's just chasing stop loss. So the only way to make money is don't have don't have any stop loss, which is really dangerous and risky, because if it goes the other way around, you completely wreck.
You can lose a lot.
Yeah. Oh yeah, big time, guys. So yeah. So what happened?
You put it on Twitter as well, or do you want me to show?
Yeah. So show it. Sorry, I forgot that. So we put on Twitter as well our plan for this morning as well. So we put this
two
plan.
plans, yeah.
We put this plan yesterday because this is where we were yesterday actually. And yeah, so this is Mondelo, this is the area of interest. And we were saying, yeah, or we could see a bounce here, or if we get rejected, we will go straight away to last month's low. And so that's why we try this is yeah, you have to try setups, you know what I mean? So we try a small long, we like aggressively took profit, which actually was a really good move, and got rejected as option 2 and strike to last month's low and swept the last month's low. And this is when we say to the group, don't take any trade until we tell you to do so, because we want to preserve the money of our members, because it's the most important thing that we try to do as well. And yeah, sweep the last month's low, and this is when sellers, we talk, we were on the phone and shit, and we look at the chart, they say, man, this is when we need to be aware of what's going on. And then we took a trade. So I'm gonna let sellers explain what we did today, because we did a great trade, we did a long setup. And sellers, just explain what happened after, and what did we do at 18,100.
Yes, thank you, FRENCHYBRO. So yeah, as you explained, we had two areas of interest. So Monday lows, or the 18.5, 18.1 key level. I'm just gonna change the time frame so we could explain this quickly. There we go. So what happened here? As you can see right here,
Nice
swap the lows.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah, beautiful taking the lows out. So from there, there is two possible plays. So the bounce, as we were expecting, it's going up back towards the Monday highs, Monday low, sorry, or lower toward the 76K to grab the last of the liquidity. But because we had noticed, obviously, we had that was our key level and area of interest because of those three taps just there. You can see, so there is one here, and that's the third one. Three tap setup, as you can call it. That's big, like a signal to say wake up, or like it's juicy, something's going to happen. So smaller time frame.
Aware, you know what I mean? Like if something can happen, exactly. This is where this is a good area to enter something, you know what I mean? Like a long or short, so you need to check it out.
Exactly. So what happened? So yeah, bounce. You had a nice reaction. So don't we see people who are not too experienced. Don't try to do this like all the time, because it's like on smaller time frames. So it's always better to have a higher time frame to confirm. We just pretty much enter on the I think that was M3 M5 market structure break. So as you can see, just right here, that was the first breaks on structure. Waited for the retest, and as soon as he went up, that was our entry. So we said 18.2, 18.24, 18.4 DCAs. So somewhere around here, let's say, if I'm not even, because that's 18.5. So we were just right here, and then as soon as the retest was done, we had our nice move towards the month's day low. Exactly, beautiful. So another, like, if people ask what we use, there's a little trick here. So like the retracement, pretty much you're looking at, so that's your break of structure just here. So that's done with that candle. So from there to there, you just use, it's a bit small, I don't know if you can see, but up, let's put this bigger. Retracement wise, you got always those there you go, this and this, that's like, so it's called like OT entries. Pretty much you just use a candle like break the structure. So that one, the retracement should always come back in between the 05 to 061 and 0618. So this is where you know that something can happen, and that's where we trigger the long,
and we give it to the group. And what happened then next? We made some fucking money again, guys.
Exactly.
We triggered long and pop straight to the moon, guys. Straight to the moon.
He pumped. Yeah, short quiz. Exactly.
Little moon.
People we see. For the people shorting the, like, you know, like even here that was possible, but there was
this is where you know what I mean, like that's it. Yeah, you see the massive, you see the green candle with the massive wick. Just to see, you see, show to this green wick. Yeah,
just right here.
Yeah, this is where they just trap all the late short, and then boom, straight down, guys.
Yeah, trapped. So why it's caught all the late shots, and then trap the longs, and trap the long as well. So it's two at once.
This is a beautiful CPI manipulation thing, and then so you just wait until the news goes, and after you see what you can do. But otherwise, you can't win with this type of move, guys. Almost
yes, exactly.
Gambling.
So far so good.
So far so good, man. So far,
as we said, so you can see. Oh, sorry, I'm just going. It's a bit late on the internet, the connection. Yeah, so far so good. Big massive order block here.
Yeah.
So what to expect?
What to expect? What to expect now, Cedo? So yeah, let's tell everyone. So we show what we did and everything. So now 19,100 the price. So we're still on the long. We secure some profit anyway. And
Yeah.
so now, what to expect? Exactly that.
So we could two things. Two things. There's always two things to play. We'd love to see like a break of structure just here from the last swing high just there, and as soon as this is done, back down, confirmation of the Monday lows as support, a bit of consolidation, and that would go back up to our first target, which is the high, to go and clean the highs. Surely it will go above to deviate from there. So that could go to you can see just right here on the right here, you got all your liquidity.
H4, yeah,
that's it. H4 and H1 that could go as high as that point just there, right here. So that's all area. So 20k at the max. Some big accounts calling 21k. I don't see it coming right now. I mean, no, we don't have a crystal ball. I will just play like probability. So we'll see once if we get to 20k first, see how it works, or if we get to 19.5 and see from there. But I would say, yeah, that will go around, deviate from there, and that's where it should go back down.
That's it. And this is where we get the finally 17k swept. Because if we got
that's what we're looking at, yes.
Yeah, because if you got a big rejection on this fair value gap and Monday high, I think this is when the big move is going to play. This is going to start going down.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So yeah, that's great. What we did so far. I'll quickly show you guys, like I always do, like to give you some insight inside of what's happening in our Discord group. I'll show you quickly. So this is our free Discord that we just put in place for this bear market and for you guys to help you out. And so we just share our sentiment about the market. Cedos is part of the group. We share, both of us, like what's happening, our sentiment, what we think, and anything. So if you really want to know what's going on, and this can help you on your trade and to save a little bit of money or to make money, we never know. And you got all the information about the group, links, and all our feedbacks and anything. And this is our VIP group. So this is what's happening today. You can see everyone is happy, milking. I show you the trade win, just milking, and milking. That's it. There's no other word.
Like to milk, and it's not actually cars that we're making, making the fucking money.
That's it. And this is our beautiful call. Look at this BTC long, bam, 18,400, and everything is on here. 18,400 long. This was a small scalp long from this morning where we locked a little bit of profit, like I said. And this is our beautiful BTC short from I think the 10, which is 3 days ago, from the top and up. So as you can see on the chart right now, Cedos is showing you guys, we shorted from the top, we locked a lot of profit at the bottom, and boom. So we
back up, yeah.
That's it, and back up. This is what we like to do. From the
we still got the short running actually, by the way, but which is like we see how we go, but hopefully.
Yeah, we see how we go. Still, yeah, like you said, we still have a little bit of a short open as well. I still have my short open from the top. I got such a nice entry. I'm not gonna cut it like that. And but I locked 90% of my profit anyway, so I'm fine. And then we longed, and we locked a bit of profit as well. And it's still running as well. So this is how we trade in this group.
That's it. So far, so good.
So far, so good. And I'm pretty sure we are at 75% win rate for September. So looking good, man.
Looking good. Yeah, looking good. Like the market's a bit tough. A lot of range, tight range, but we try to do our best and give great call Some get stopped out like it's like everyone else. It's normal, but when he walks, then he walks good. Like
that's it. So that's it. So it's amazing. So now I'm gonna let you enjoy your glass of wine, mate, and I'm gonna start drinking as well. Hey,
sounds good.
Job is done, guys.
That's it. Job is done. So much the weekend.
That's it. So thanks, guys. Make sure you liked the YouTube video and you share on Twitter as well to support us and to make sure we can keep going on a free Discord because we don't get anything from it. So we just want some support from you guys. And thank you, my mate, Sedos. And we see you.
Thank you to you.
Yeah, we see you next time, guys.
Sounds good. See you, mate.
See you.